In 1966, Ika people in Anioma land demanded to join Eastern region. Look at this document here. This document was written in 1966. Now, let's go through the paragraphs one after the other. In the first paragraph, it wrote, Lagos Nigeria Domestic Service, 16 October 1966. The Midwest government has categorically denied an allegation by the Eastern Nigeria Broadcasting Service, published by the Nigeria Outlook over the weekend, that trucks set by the Midwestern government to collect Midwesterners returning from Osogbo conveyed only Benis and Ishans and left Ika Igbo people. The Midwest says there is no truth whatever in this allegation, which is capable of creating confusion and unrest in the calm and peaceful region. The government pointed out that the truth is that trucks sent to Osogbo evacuated all fleeing Midwesterners to Benin, from where they are transported to their respective homes, irrespective of their places of origin. Ika Igbo people that they are talking about is not only the present-day Ika people. Ika Igbo people are Ika people of today, Ukwuani people, Oshimiri, and Anyocha people. In the past, we all are called Ika. Ukwuani people, Ika people, Oshimiri, and Anyocha people, the 9 local governments in Anioma land were called Ika Igbo in the past. This paragraph just said that when the Midwestern region went to Osogbo for an event, they were coming back and the Benis and Esan people left the Ika Igbo people behind. Bini and Ishan people leave Ika Igbo people, they go back Midwestern region. And Ika Igbos were stranded. Why did they leave Ika Igbo people? It is simply because they are not one people. There is a natural hate for the Igbo people in this country. Even before the genocide against the Igbos, there is hate for Igbo people. They just hate Igbo people. And that is the fact. The Midwestern region government started denying it, saying that something like that did not occur. That is just a political statement. They said that just to make sure that there is no tension and unrest in that region. They left Ukwuani people, Ika people, Oshimiri and Anyocha people in Osogbo. They leave our people, come back alone. The government of Midwestern region started denying it, saying that it's not true, but it's true. In Midwestern region, Edo State and Delta State were all together. And all this marginalization and insult was the reason why Ika Igbo people started demanding to join Eastern region. Our people are being treated that way because they are not one people with these Benin people. Let's read the second paragraph. The second paragraph says that Edo assures non-Midwesterners of safety. Lagos Nigeria Domestic Service, 14 October 1966. The military governor of the Midwest, Lieutenant Colonel David Edo, has reiterated his assurance that all residents of the region, including non-Midwesterners, are safe. The military governor was addressing a delegation of the Eastern Nigeria community residents in the region who met him in Benin today. Colonel Edo appealed to them to help to inform their people in the East about the true situation in the Midwest. He said that this is necessary as it would prevent them from taking actions based on false information. The delegation had come to hold discussions with him over the mass exodus of Igbos from the region. David Edo is telling the Easterners in Midwest that they should make sure that their information are correct concerning Midwestern region. The reason why he told them that is because of what Anioma people faced in Osogbo when they were abandoned by the Bini and Esan people. So they tell Eastern and say wetin happen not be true. Say na false allegation. It's not false allegation. There's nothing like false allegation there. Let's read the third paragraph. In the third paragraph, it wrote, Ika Igbos ask referendum on East Association. Enugu, Nigeria, 15 October 1966. The Ika Igbo Association in Eastern Nigeria has appealed to the military governor of Midwestern Nigeria, Lieutenant Colonel David Ejo, to order a referendum on the question of grouping Ika Igbos of the Midwest with their kith and kin in Eastern Nigeria. In a statement in Enugu today, the association claimed that if a referendum were conducted, Colonel Ejo would be absolutely convinced that the agitation has the support of the vast majority of the people of Abo and Asaba divisions. It supported the statement of the military governor that a government of boundaries in the country should be based on tribal and linguistic affinity and majority decision. The association claimed that the Ika Igbos have everything in common with Eastern Igbos. In a resolution adopted after the association's meeting, it criticized delegation to the Lagos talks and the stand it took at the conference. This paragraph said it all. Anioma people told David Ejo that they want to join their kids and kin in Eastern region. Abo and Asaba division are in support of that referendum, that they all want to join Eastern region. Boundaries should be done by linguistic affinity, by culture, by tradition, by language. That is how boundaries are supposed to be done. What they mean there is that we Ika Igbos that speak Igbo language are supposed to be in Eastern region because we speak the same language, culture, tradition, and everything in common with the East. How can you be creating boundaries, cutting people, and adding them to where they do not belong? You carry Igbo people known as Ika Igbos, carry them join Midwestern region, separating them from their brothers in the East. And because of that, they started facing marginalization in Midwestern region. This is the reason why Igbos are found in 13 states. Igbos are indigenous in 13 states in this Nigeria. The Igbos in Benue, Kogi, Bayelsa, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, and so on. They could just map out some Igbo groups, add them for where they no belong. Imagine Igbos where they Bayelsa State, Igbos where they Kogi State, Igbos where they Benue, making them a minority in that region. That is what we Anioma people are facing today. Ika Igbos said that they want to join Eastern region in year 1966. Abo division supported it. Asaba division supported it. They want to join the Southeast. And today, we are agitating to get Anioma State, to actualize Anioma State and zone it to the Southeast. And some Anioma people are fighting it, saying that Anioma should remain in South-South. The agitation for Anioma State is not only to get the state. Getting the state is not our problem. What we want most is to make sure that Anioma State is being zoned to the Southeast for us to coexist with people we speak the same language, culture, and tradition with. Just look at this document. Our ancestors, Ika Igbos, said that they want to join their kids and kin in Eastern Nigeria. Even if they don't give them states, may they just join them to their brothers. May they coexist with their brothers. And Anioma State will never be in the South-South because our ancestors forbid them. Our ancestors forbid Anioma State to be in the South-South. Any Anioma person who wants to make Anioma State dey South-South, that Anioma person is an enemy. That Anioma person, they don't supposed to call that person human being. People that you speak the same language with. People that ancestrally, they have never invaded Anioma land. People that ancestrally, we have been coexisting with each other. People that ancestrally, there is reverse migration to and fro. In Anioma land, so many Anioma people migrated from the southeast. In the southeast, so many southeast people migrated from Anioma land. We are one people, we are one family, we are Igbo people, we are Anioma people, we are Igbo people. Our ancestors know where they belong. They know that they are Igbo people. They know that they speak the same language with these people. They know that if they join the southeast, that they will not be marginalized. They know that joining southeast means joining their home, joining their family, joining their bloodline. So any Anioma person that is fighting Anioma State not to be zoned to the southeast is an evil person. Such person not get sense. Any Anioma person at all, any Anioma person that is telling you that Anioma State should remain in south, never to join the southeast, that Anioma person don't get sense. Some people will talk say, small pikin like you, go talk about Anioma State go dey. Tell us one reason why Anioma State should not be zoned to the southeast. They will start saying rubbish. Some people will be telling you, if we join southeast, our dialect will go into extinction. Ika people are saying the same thing. Oshimili and Anocha people are saying the same thing. It's not true. Ukwuani dialect will never go into extinction. Ika dialect will never go into extinction. Our dialect is immortal. Our dialect is Igbo language. So I'll be telling you, they will start exploiting our resources. Are they not exploiting your resources in this South? Nobody that exploits for South past Anioma people. Ukwuani land have the resources, yet there is no development in Ukwuani land. Crude oil wells where they Ukwuani land pass crude oil wells where they Urubo land. Yet, not in the Ukwuani land. For Delta State, if you talk of people who get crude oil, now Ukwuani. And in that Ukwuani land, there is no development. You will see an Ukwuani community that have crude oil wells, they not get road. For the past 16 years, more than 16 years now, Ukwuani don't have light. No light in Ukwuani land. Is that not marginalization? All the oil wells where the Ukwuani land, how many Ukwuani sons and daughters be chairman or gakata for that oil well? All we do is security. That's what we do there. Ukwuani Buanyeze. Wetin show say Ukwuani be Anyeze? Anyeze when not they get light. Anyeze when not get good road. Anyeze where oil spillage don't spoil their water finish. Anyeze when not get development. Anyeze when not they do well for commerce. And you will see some Ukwuani people telling you they don't want to join Southeast, they want Ukwuani to remain in South. How many South people have developed Ukwuani land? What development have entered Ukwuani land through that South? Look at what Ika Igbos are saying here, saying that they have everything in common with the Southeast. They are saying that they are Igbo people. And today, Gen Z generation will come from Anioma go dey talk, say they are not Igbo people. Some people will say, why you going say Anioma people won't remain for South and not get sense? In the eyes of an honorable man, such Anioma person don't have sense. In the eyes of a Yariba man, such Anioma person don't have sense. In the eyes of Hausa and Fulani people, such Anioma person don't have sense. Because they will say, you they speak Igbo, you don't want to join your Igbo brothers. Which they fear. Even the ones where they support you, they tell you say you are right. Anioma people should remain in South. Those people they see you as mumu. Because they know say you just the mumu. They know the truth. They know that Anioma State is meant to be in the Southeast. But because they don't want the Igbo race to unite, they are telling you to remain in South. Anioma State must be zoned to the Southeast, whether the devil likes it or not. We are Igbo people. We are not Benin people. We are not Yariba people. We are not Ijaw people. We are Igbo people. We speak Igbo language. If only one state that go create for Nigeria, that state is Anioma State. And that state they go Southeast. Those Anioma people that are having identity crisis, they are saying, we are not Igbo, we are not Igbo people, we are Benin people. See Benin people live on for Osobo, live on stranded, carry motor they go, they abandon on for that place. If you be Benin person, they go leave you for there. No. But they left you there because you are not one people with them. People will not call you human being, you they force yourself on them. The Southeast will never keep Anioma people stranded. They will never keep Ika people, Ukwuani people, Oshimili and Aniocha people stranded. They will never keep Igbo people stranded. And that's because we are one people. But Benin people kept you stranded there because you are not one with them. And tomorrow you will see some of these people come out online back and saying that they are not Igbo people, they are Benin people. If you be Benin person, why your ancestors run come out from Benin in the olden days? It's because Benin people are treating them badly. Today, you still they force yourself, they say you be Benin person. And even up to today, Benin people still they show you, they tell you say when not be one people, you they kill yourself, they put inside. Igbo bofu, Anioma people wake up from sleep. Stop allowing some of our Anioma people that don't have sense to be deceiving you. Every region in the entire world have those that don't have sense among them. Not allow those ones who they among us for Anioma deceive you. We are Anioma people, we are Igbo people. If Anioma want there anywhere, na Southeast you go there. We will never allow the past to separate we and the Southeast. Stop saying that you are not an Igbo person. You not go carry Igbo anywhere. You say you are not Igbo, yet you are still suffering from marginalization. Those Anioma people that are saying, our ancestors are not Igbos. They don't want to be part of the Igbos. See am for years, see our documents they tell you, say, Abo division, Asaba division, Ika people in general wants to join Eastern region. Now you where they just born yesterday go come out, they talk say Anioma people not be Igbo people. If Anioma people are not Igbos, why are our ancestors agitating for them to join Eastern region? Any Anioma person will not get sense, make it get sense. If bad say you did this computer era, this era of information technology. If bad say you did this period, you not get sense. You they allow propaganda, they deceive you. We are Igbo people, Igbo bofu. Anioma people are Igbos and we are expected to be zoned to the Southeast. Nobody, nothing in this life can stop Anioma State not to be zoned to the Southeast. Is she aware?